Hey everybody, this is Jacob from qoliber, and today I will show you part of our SEO suite extension regarding to the Open Graph protocol. So, in terms of the Open Graph, you can read all the details at the ogp.me. Open Graph tags is a unique extension that can be purchased at store.qoliber.com, but it's also a part of our SEO package. So, as every good extension, the Open Graph tags or Open Graph protocol extension can be just enabled or disabled. It doesn't have any additional configuration. It's just adding the metadata to the page, all the proper HTML tags, so we can review them. Now, why it's actually good to have the Open Graph protocol implemented, all the Open Graph tags, it's because when you are sharing product information on a social media or a category page or any other page, your page is actually presented in the same way that you'll be creating a post or anything else on the social media. So if we go and enter the product from the demo page, in this case the push it messenger bag, we can actually see how this product will look like if we share it on Facebook, if we share it on Twitter, LinkedIn, or any other social media tags. So like I mentioned, this extension is pretty easy to use, it's pretty easy to install, and it takes all the content from the product page, which is available directly on the product page. It doesn't cause any performance drop-downs because it's operating on the data that is already visible on the product page. You can also review the docs at qoliber.com. You have all the information what this extension does, what sort of supported graph tags are enabled by default, how to install this extension, and as I mentioned, the configuration is basically a yes/no switch in the admin panel. So it's pretty easy to use. You can always disable it, enable it on a store view level or on a website level. Thank you very much, and I wish you a great day.